ithi ikhankasa kokugcina eNtshonalanga Kapa ngaphambi kwelikhetho. Lenhlangano ikhankasela kumasipala weSolplaking elithemba lokuphumelela kulo masipala. Steenhuisen elithemba ukuthi batawutfola emavoti lamaningi kulesifundza.
People here are sick of broken promises. They want to hear what we're going to do. So I think we're going to do well here because we're going to be with a track record of what we're already doing where we govern. We're not here making promises.
Steenhuisen uthi bakulungele kusebenza ngekubambisana nanoma ngabe nguyiphi inhlangano lokufaka ikhathi ANC.
It's only going to happen if we bring the ANC below 50%. If the ANC stays above 50%, there's going to be no breaking of the logjam in South African politics. We've got to bring them under 50% so we can break that logjam and force a new majority to be.
Steenhuisen uphinza waphawula ngalokucisha kwagezi ngenhloso yekumonga njengoba uthi kubeka umnotfo walelive esimeni lesibi kuphinze kulahleke nemsebenzi kepha takhamuti taseRodebank ithi tifuna umkhandlo lomusha lotolwisana nendlala.